Hey everybody, so I've got a new tool that is going to help you boost your rankings on YouTube, and it's called PCS Tube Growth. It is a little Chrome extension that runs in the background of your toolbar here. What it does is it helps you automate all of your ranking on YouTube. So it lets you create your AI descriptions. It helps you with keywords, finding out how to get the best SEO score in just a couple minutes. You can go through this link once I put it in the description, but what I'm going to go down here and show you is that this basically replaces a bunch of tools. You can replace Jarvis because it's doing your AI descriptions, TubeRank, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, all of those different tools that combine and you can see add up to thousands a year. This little tool is going to do all of it for you. It's going to do it in a single place. Like I'm editing this description right now to upgrade all of my SEO info, and I'm just going to the extension right here. I can go in, I can add emojis, I can put fancy text however I want it. I can make it bold, I can do italics, I can add some cool stuff, and then just copy and paste it into my descriptions. AI description, I can say all sorts of things. I can say Facebook profile, rank, put that in there. And what it's going to do is it's going to figure out the best way to put a description in there. It's going to give you the best SEO, and it's going to give you descriptions here. You can put in more tags. It'll come up and say, hey, what about all of this here? Rank higher in YouTube, for example. Click on search, and once that goes through, that's going to put all of the different hashtags in here. Click on it, puts it in the description, copy and paste it into that. You could have all of these, if you want to use them somewhere else, like on your website, export it there, copy it from that. You can also put in your different long tail keywords that you want to search for. Basically, this got my SEO just ranking off the charts compared to where it was. So I've been going through all of my old videos, redoing everything, and making sure that I'm going to get the best ranking on YouTube. So check it out. I'm going to put the link in the description. You can see it's down here. And then the way I learned this was I went through the mini course here with VidRank Cache, and it showed me everything I need to do. And then now I've got the extension, I can automate it. So check it out. Daniel's got the best software for ranking high on YouTube. So you won't regret it. Great price, saves you money, and check it out.